Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Bluey. So first we're going to get started with our right eye, and we'll start by drawing in a nice big oval. And now in the center of that eye, we're going to draw in another oval in the middle. Let's draw in the nose now, so we're going to arch this line out and then curving that at the corner. And now from here, continuing back on this line, we're going to arch this line around and then up. For the mouth now, from that corner, let's curve this line around and over. For the teeth, we're going to curve this line up. Starting on that point again, curving this line up towards the right. And then again, one last time as we move over. And then underneath, just a small curved line coming down. Now let's finish off the nose. So starting underneath, we're going to arch this line around and then up towards the top. And then in the center, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Now moving behind this for our left eye, let's curve this line around and then in on the side. And then for the pupil, just drawing in another arch line in the middle. Now let's continue to close off the mouth. So underneath, we're going to curve this line around, out, and then up towards our eye. And then we're going to move back underneath our eye again, curving this out, around, and then back into the middle. Now let's move up and draw in the eyebrows. So we're going to draw an arch line on both sides on a diagonal. And then starting back on the top, let's again curve this around and then through. Let's draw in the shape of the body now. So we're going to create a nice big rectangle. We're going to draw in a straight line on the top. On both sides, we're going to curve this line out and then down. Now again, coming down on both sides, we're going to continue to extend this line down towards the bottom of our page, curving this in underneath. And then we'll do the same on the right, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Above now, both eyes, we're going to arch this line up towards our eyebrow. And then as we come underneath, we're just going to curve this line over towards the side of the body. In the middle of the torso now, we're going to arch this line up and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to bring this line around and then down. On the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a half circle. On the top left, let's replicate that. Moving down underneath now, we're going to replicate that one more time, just making that slightly bigger. Let's draw in our ears. So on the right-hand side, we're going to bring this line up and then back down on the side. And then on the left-hand side, bringing our diagonal line out and then back down on the left. Let's move in towards the middle of both ears now. We're going to replicate that shape, bringing that up, back down. Now for our arms, on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out for the top of the arm. Let's draw in our thumb, curving this around, back up. For our first finger, arching this line around and then down. In the middle, continuing to curve this line up. And then again, one more time. Now let's move underneath, drawing in another diagonal line that comes in towards our torso. And then we're going to close off the wrist with a curved line from top to bottom. Let's come down for the legs now. So on the inside, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides, and we're going to make sure we end that at the same height. Let's step across again ending that at the same height. For the feet, we're going to curve this line out. And then again, as we move over towards the inside, On the bottom now, let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. For the toes, we're going to arch these lines in towards the middle. And then for the ankles, we're just going to draw in a straight line across. Lastly, for the tail on the right, we're going to arch this line around and then up. Moving underneath, curving this line over. And then one more time as we move up, arching this line in. And then lastly, just a small curved line on the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Bluey. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.